Hello everyone, welcome to English for Conversation. Now we're going to continue our lesson about plural, still about plural. We're going to learn vocabulary for clothes and accessories. You can review here the following examples. There are clothes and accessories that are for men and women. You can see here, there are belt, scarf, cap, shirt, and so on. Also, there are clothes and accessories that usually for women, like blouse, bracelet, dress, and so on. And then there are clothes and accessories that usually for men, necktie or bow tie, and tuxedo. You can look at these words in a dictionary, or you can go to Google and Google it to see the picture of the noun. Okay, now let's go to exercise 2.6, which we're going to make sentences. Yeah, it is also very important for you to make this sentence, because if you can make the sentence, then you can make conversation with that. Okay, select 12 items from the preceding list. Okay, that we have already learned. Select 12 of them, and then write how many of each item there are in your closet or drawer. Okay, for example, I choose this dress. Okay, dress. So I will write there are 2 dresses in my closet. Okay, and then I chose bracelet. There is only 1 bracelet in my drawer. Okay, the next one, you can do it your own using each item, yeah, using the 12 item from the preceding list. Okay, now let's look at the nouns that have pairs. Okay, some nouns are in pairs, yeah. With the clothing item, they are usually in 2 parts, okay, which are sometimes separated, such as gloves. Okay, if you wear gloves, they are separated, but you must use both of them. So it is in pairs. And also sometimes the clothing is connected, such as pants. Okay, they are connected to each other. The noun are plural. Yeah, so they are plural. One set of 2 parts is a pair. Yeah, for example, a pair of shoes is 2 shoes. Okay, one for the left foot and one for the right foot. A pair of pants or trousers is 1 item, but with 2 legs. So because they have 2 legs, yeah, they come in pair. So this noun is plural. There is no singular. Okay. Okay, now let's see the following example of pair. For men and women, earrings, sweatpants, glasses, shoes, and so on. Okay, this is for men and women. And then usually for women, flats. Yeah, flats is shoes without heels. Yeah, high heels, stocking, and tights. Okay, this is usually for women. There are some men that use stocking. I don't know. Okay, now let's go to exercise 2 and 7. How many pairs do you have in your closet and drawer? Okay, for example, here I give you an example. I have 1 pair of glasses. Okay, so I have 1 pair of glasses in my drawer. Okay, the next one, you can do it by yourself. You can use this in conversation if you want to tell someone how many pairs do you have in your closet or drawer. Okay? Okay, now move on to quantities. What is quantities? Quantities is to tell an approximate number of plural items. Yeah, so when you use quantities, you tell people how many do you have of the things you have. Okay? Quantities here, some of them is some. Okay, if you say some, which means you have more than one, yeah, maybe 3 or 4, yeah, 2 maybe. A few is 3 or 4, yeah. If you say a few, it means 3 or 4, yeah. If you say some, maybe 5, maybe 6, okay. If you say a few, 3 or 4. You can also use a lot of, lots of, or many, yeah. Many is a large number, yeah. So we don't know how many, but it's a large number, plenty, enough, okay. And then not many is a small number, yeah. So if you say you don't have many what, it means you only have a small number of them. And then too many is more than necessary, which means you have more than you supposed to have. For example, if you in a lift, the capacity for the lift is for 10 people, yeah, 10 persons. So if you have 12 person or 12 people, is too many, okay. So that's the meaning of it, more than necessary. Okay, now let's see the example. I have some tickets for the ball game, yeah. If you say I have some tickets, it means you have more than one, yeah, maybe 3, maybe 5, yeah. And then there are a few seats in the front row. If you say a few seats, which means there are only 3 or 4 seats left, yeah, for the front row. And then a lot of people are going to the game, which means this is so many people, a large number of people, yeah. So we don't know, maybe 10, 20, yeah, we don't know. And then there are not many seats, which means there are only a few left, yeah. There's not many, maybe 3 or 4, yeah, like the few, but not many. There are too many people here. Now this one, which means maybe the capacity for the room is 20 people, but there are 30 or 35 people there, so there are too many people in the room. Okay, now let's practice from exercise 2.8. Look at all the list of nouns of people, places, and things to answer the following questions. Okay, you have to look for the noun for people, places, and things. Okay, number 1, if you are asked with what do you have some of, yeah, which means what do you have that you only have some, yeah, which means you have maybe 3, 5 books, yeah. So you can answer I have some books. What are there a lot outside, yeah. What are there a lot outside? So what things that are a lot outside your house, maybe, okay. So you answer there are a lot of cars outside, yeah. So there are a lot of cars there. Don't forget to have s, yeah, with the nouns. If you use some or a lot of, you have to use s for the noun. And then what are there not many of in the place where you live? Okay, so you begin the answer with there are not many supermarket where I live, yeah. What do you see a few of right now? Okay, right now what do you see that are only a few of? For example, you can say I see a few cats, yeah, maybe 3 or 4 cats, yeah, which mean. And then number 5, what do you have too many of? Yeah, what things do you have too many? So you see, you can answer I have too many dogs. Yeah, maybe you have 10 dogs, maybe, I don't know, yeah, but too many. Yeah, usually people only have 2 dogs. Yeah, so you have 10 dogs. That is too many. Okay, now move on to the vocabulary for food. Yeah, for food here you can use apple, donut, avocado, banana, and so on. Okay, now this noun can be either singular or plural depending on the quantity that you have. Yeah, if you have more than 1 apple, you have to say I have 2 apples. Okay, something like that. You just add s with the noun. Yeah. Okay, let's exercise 2.9. Write one of the following words or groups of words in each blank depending on whether the noun are singular or plural. Okay, so number 1 here, he eats blank egg. Okay, only egg here, there's no s in this noun, so you have to answer with an, yeah, because it is followed by a vowel sound, yeah, an egg, or you can say one egg. And donut also without s here, so is singular, so you have to answer a donut or one donut for breakfast. So if someone asks you, what did you eat for breakfast, you can say I ate one egg, or I ate one donut for breakfast. Yeah. Okay. Number 2, I like to have. This also apple, no s, so you have to answer with an apple or one apple. Yeah. Also this an orange. Yeah, because only one. Okay. Number 3, would you like blank peas and some carrots? Here there is s's here with carrot and peas, so you have to answer with some peas or some carrot. Can I answer with a lot of peas? Yes, you can. Or would you like a few carrots? Yes, you can answer that, but it's rather strange. Okay, so I suggest you answer with some. Yeah, would you like some peas? Yeah, it's better that way. And the next one, for until 10, I'm gonna let you to do it by yourself. Okay, just pay attention to the noun. Yeah, if there is s or s's, yeah, so that is a plural noun, so you have to use a lot of, a few, or some, or numbers, yeah, with 2. Okay. Okay, you can look for the answer in the link of the description, okay, after you answer all the questions. Okay, so let's recap for the conversation. If you want to tell people about how many things you have, you can say, for example, there are 2 dresses in my closet. Okay, there are 2 neckties in my drawer, maybe. Yeah, there is only 1 bracelet in my drawer. You can use only. Yeah, if you only have 1, you can use only. There are 2 tuxedos in my closet, something like that. Okay, and then if you want to talk about pair, yeah, you can also use I have 1 pair of glasses, I have 2 pair of pants in my closet, I have 10 pairs of high heel in my shoe rack. Yeah, something like that. And then if you want to inform people about things, yes, for example, I have some tickets for the ball game, there are a few seats in the front row, a lot of people are going to the game, there are not many seats, or there aren't many seats. Yeah, there are too many people here. Okay, so you can use all kind of quantities. Yeah, with many, with a few, with some. You can use pair, yeah, glasses, pants, high heel. You can use also with number, yeah, 2 dresses, 1 bracelet, okay, 3 tuxedos, something like that. Yeah, in conversation. So if you want to tell someone how many things you have, if you want to inform someone about things, you can do it right now. Okay, I think it's enough for now. I hope this video will help you understand more about plural, especially pair items and how to use quantities in conversation. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.